We have officially moved past the preparation stage. The sheer volume of material arriving on site tells the whole story. This project is shifting into a higher gear. From massive structural lifts to the very first exterior finishing panels, the stadium is finally starting to look like the finished article. Let's start at the top, because the compression ring is becoming impossible to ignore. Giant ring sections, pillars, and radial beams are now staged across the site, and the cranes are already moving. This isn't prep work anymore. The sheer volume of material already on site tells you everything. This phase is about to shift into a higher gear. Up on the upper levels, the picture is just as active. Elevated platforms are spread across multiple sections. Crews are working the cantilever structures and internal frameworks. And the areas that look quiet from a distance? Look closer. The structural edges and overhangs are where the real action is. Limited access from below means these zones are being tackled from above, piece by piece, reinforcement by reinforcement. Now let's talk about the south stand, because the progress here is genuinely striking. Slab installation is well underway, with support structures and formwork panels now covering large portions of the section. The prefabricated seating tiers are nearly complete. This stand is almost fully enclosed, and once it is, the focus shifts to finishing, painting, and eventually, seats going in. You can actually start to picture what this place is going to feel like from the inside. Down at the lower levels, it's steady, unglamorous, essential work. Materials are flowing in, lifting platforms are running, and crews are pushing forward on internal surfaces. Wall systems, structural finishes, the kind of work that doesn't look dramatic on camera but holds everything else together. Outside, the facade is where things get visually exciting. Lamella panels are going up across multiple sections. Some areas are already finished, others are mid-installation, and some are still in the anchoring phase, waiting for the structural connections before panels can be mounted. And there's something new this week worth paying close attention to. Black panels are being mounted between structural beams across sections of the exterior. They won't be the final face of this stadium. The llamas will layer over them. But right now, they're already changing how this building looks from the outside. A new finishing phase has officially begun. On the lateral sections, anchor installation is still running strong along the lower structural brackets. Crews are locking in the connection points that everything else depends on. The structure itself, essentially complete in these zones. This is now transition territory from raw construction into finishing mode. And then there's the north stand, and this is a genuine milestone. Façade llamas are going up. Panels are already in place. More are being prepared for lifting, and because the guides and supports were installed ahead of time, this phase is moving quickly. The north stand is about to start looking like the finished article. And progress here is only going to accelerate from here. At one of the corner zones, the focus shifts underground. Excavation machinery is actively removing soil along the retaining walls. Groundwork for foundational or finishing work in that section. The scaffolding is already down, surfaces are being cleaned up, and what was a rough structural edge is now being refined into something complete. Finally, up in the tribune, large structural connectors are being installed across the upper section specifically to carry the facade system. These pieces create a deliberate gap between the outer llama layer and the main stadium body. A design detail that will define how this stand looks from the outside. Cranes are still actively lifting and placing more of them as we speak. That's where things stand, and the word that keeps coming to mind is momentum. Multiple fronts moving simultaneously, key milestones being crossed, and a building that looks more like a finished stadium every single week.